Hi, here is Flavia, Head of Business Innovation of Citróleo Group. I'm happy to be here to talk to you about our newest launch, Epin'Derm. Ageless Beauty celebrates healthy aging, empowering you to make healthy and effective choices. Epin'Derm is a plant-based activity with a natural technology that is unique in the cosmetics market, beta-high response. This botanical complex enables the different skin cells to resume their protection and conservation process and stimulates the activity of fibroblasts and keratinocytes, preserving the integrity of the extracellular matrix and the appearance of the skin. Its natural bioactivities reactivate elasticity and firmness, improving texture and non-invasively filling expression lines. Epin'Derm stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, essential fibers for skin support. It maintains the water levels, also promoted by hyaluronic acid, of the skin through the fortification of the stratum corneum and has calming activity.